Here's a 2005 Chevrolet Silverado, two-wheel drive, regular cab, short box. As you can see, aftermarket flat black hood has been added, blacked out grille. Power steering, power brakes, automatic transmission in this one. As you can see, it's also been lowered. It's not an airbag kit or air ride or anything like that. Just lowered the stance on it. Cloth bench seat. Does have an aftermarket Kenwood stereo in it. Also has a Bully Dog tuner set up in it. I'll show you that when we get around to the side and start it up. Soft tonneau cover. Rolls up on the back. Does a spray and bed liner. If you'd like to check out the still pictures, you can see the bed, engine bay, interior on the still pictures, underside of the vehicle. All the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Vehicle has approximately 119,000 on it. Check that out when I open her up and you can hear it run. Pretty straight truck. A few blemishes here and there. The clear's peeling a little bit right there. There's a little dinger up in the front fender here. Something in the garage may have fallen on it. Let's go ahead and fire this truck up. Interior's in decent shape. Fold down armrest. Always 40-20-40 split bench seat. Here's where the Bully Dog tuner would hook up, and that goes with the truck. See the Kenwood aftermarket stereo, nice install. Check out the miles here. 119,528. Nice running truck. Slip around to the back, you hear a little bit of a rumble out of that 5.3, nothing crazy or over the top. Again, those still pictures can be checked out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Or if you'd like to inquire about this vehicle, please feel free to give us a call. 507-386-1726. 2005 Chevy Silverado, regular cab, short box, two-wheel drive.